Benjamin, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw animals A to Z. Our next letter today is U and V. Viper. Vipers are snakes that are dangerous. Deadly. Vacuna. Vacuna are the llama that live in the mountain top. Vacuna are different kinds of animals. Vacunas are those animals. Urchin are those animals that have little spikes and spines and rolls up into a ball.
Maybe they have a sunny, happy face like that.
Urchins don't have heads and they don't have faces. But I'm drawing one with a face. Vole. A vole is a little shrew like mouse. Ukari. Ukaris are animals that live upside down. Ukaris are very types of monkeys that begin with the letter U. Monkeys always begin with M. Unicorn don't exist. Legendary, king mystical. Unicorn are legendary animals. Urno are very different kinds of animals that live in Brazil. Urno live in South America. If you could find him in the internet. They are not found in Brazil, but they are in different places. Did you believe in a urinal?
I'm making up animals, man.
I didn't make it up. I know it lived in Brazil.
Okay, is that it?
Yes.
What about the bird?
Oh, yeah, no, yeah. Umbrella bird.
Oh, that you made up.
Umbrella bird are weird animals that shade themselves. These umbrella birds.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Bye.